Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to talk about the easiest way to start print on demand in 2025 with no money down. And the way that we're going to do it is with a site called TeePublic. So there's a few reasons why I picked TeePublic. First, it's super easy to sign up. Anybody can get on. There's no waiting list or anything like that. Second, to upload your designs, it's one of the fastest things, or one of the fastest print on demand sites that you can use to upload designs. And third, with my design with Detour, if you've seen that, it's pretty much on par with sales with merch by Amazon, at least for the design with Detour designs that I did. So in this video, I'm going to show you all of it, how to sign up, how to create a design, and how to upload it all for free with TeePublic, and how easy it is. So I'll put a link in the description, an affiliate link of mine for TeePublic, and that's where we're gonna get started. So if you click that link in the description, you'll be taken here. This is just the sign up page for TeePublic. You can also get that, get here from TeePublic, but this is my designer page, so my affiliate link to that just helps me out a little bit. And you can create your account easily here, or if you already have a Facebook account, you can create it right here. I'm going to show you how to just do it manually, and this kind of explains what TeePublic is. So you basically sell your art onto different products. You can see here 75 products, super easy, like they're saying. Different product types, among them are, they have more than this, but these are the most popular ones: tees, stickers, tapestries, phone cases, mugs, all of this. So once you put your design, you can add it to all of these really easy. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. This is the royalties. Now, not the best royalties in print on demand, but definitely easy across the board. It's the same for everybody. So you don't have to worry about marking up your price or down or all of those things, which makes it super easy. Why I'm saying this is the easiest way, not the most profitable way, but you definitely can get some sales, and they do have traffic. So that's why I put it in here. And easy, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do all of this stuff on here. So signing up, let's do it. I'm gonna create an account right here, and let's do it. Now, I'm not going to show you my name and an email address and country, but this is what you can do. I'm going to do this off camera, but basically put your first name, your last name, your email address, your country. Now, I already have a TeePublic account, and I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to actually create another one just for you on this video, but I don't suggest making 2 TeePublic accounts. I would suggest doing only one. I'm only going to do another one for you guys on camera here, just so we can see what it's like for a new account. But yeah, that's all you need to do. It's very simple: first name, last name, email, country, password, and confirm password, and create my account, and that's it. So I'll do that off camera, and I'll show you what happens after you hit this button, after you've filled all of this out. One of the things you might have a question about is, should I click this on? Yes, I like to advertise my products and offsite marketing. I just like it clicked on. You can click on this and read more what this is, but basically it's gonna help them, or help them help you get more sales. So they're gonna use your designs for offsite marketing, Google, and all those things, so that you can get more sales and get more traffic. So you can read up about here and where they advertise your stuff. So after checking that box and filling all of this out, we can hit create account, and let's see what happens. All right, so it's gonna ask you to verify your email. I'm gonna check my email to make sure, and get it sent again if there wasn't. So let's see if it went to my email. All right, so you should get an email like this if you use your email, and then it just says activate now. So we're gonna activate it and see what the next step is. So the link took me back to TeePublic. I still have to log in, so I'll click account, and you see login right here, and I'll click on this login, and I'm gonna do that part. Okay, once you're logged in, you should see it say account right here, and it should be empty like this avatar. You don't have one yet because you just started, but clicking on here, you can look at some of your account settings. So this will pull up to the side here, and you'll have your name and your avatar. You can log in or out. In this case, I'm already logged in. My account, order history, favorites, account settings, my address, and messages. So let's go to account settings and see what's next. So this is where you set up your account. You can put your name, country, username. Now the username will be the name of your TeePublic store. So we can just put that in. Figure out what you want to call it. You can call it your name. You can call it whatever you want. In my case, it was Detour Shirts. I'm not going to use that on this one, but let's just do something totally rad. Whatever. So this name might already be taken, so you might want to look on TeePublic to see what's the best name that you can use for your shop. And then you can save the changes here. Now the next thing you want to do is hit sell your art. So I'm going to click on this, and this will take you to the upload. So single file upload, multi-file upload. On TeePublic, you're able to batch upload. I'm not going to show you how to do that, maybe in a different video, but you can do both, single upload and multi-upload, but you're going to need a design first. Let's go to Canva and create a design for free, and I'll show you how to upload that to TeePublic and how easy this is. So here I am on Canva, actually the different plans on Canva. I want to explain something. So you can start Canva for free, absolutely free, zero money down. What I would suggest you do is to start the free trial of Canva Pro. And the reason why is because Canva Pro has removed backgrounds in one click. Now you can do it for free with Canva, create designs. Your design will have the background and then you'll have to remove it in something like Photo P. But that's not the easiest way, and it's videos about always doing the easiest way. And the easiest way, I think, is to sign up for a Canva Pro account, 30 days free, and you can create designs and remove the backgrounds all at once instead of having to do the two-step thing. So I have Canva Pro, and I'm going to show you how it works and how easy it is to create a design with Canva. So I'm going to hit create a design right here. Once you signed up, there's different ways to do that, and let's get started. So once you're in Canva and you're signed up and everything, your page will look like this. And this is mine with all the designs on here. And you can hit create design right here. And there's actually a t-shirt size right here. So 14 by 18, that will work. So I'm gonna click on here and do t-shirt. And this is it right here. And it will give you templates on here on Canva. So you can pick any one of these. And I'm just gonna pick this one. Actually, bows do really well here, right? And we can change the design. So what I would suggest is at least change the words on here. You may keep this, but you don't want to use the same template as everybody else. So at the very least, change some words. So I'm gonna put in I love bows. I love pink bows. They're all. This is how to do it. What I would suggest is actually go on to TeePublic, find something that people want to buy. Now, they may not want to buy these bows. You're going to have to do some research. That's going to take some time. But we're going the easy route and just show you how it works. You actually do want to do some research and figure out what works on there. But as far as easy, let's just do this. I love pink bows. And maybe move this up like this just so it's different than what it was before. All right, I love pink bows. Now this could be on a black t-shirt, so let's do that instead. I'm gonna click on here, change the background color to a black t-shirt, and look at that. That's what it's gonna look like on black. I might wanna use a different color here, so just to change it up, let's make this white. There you go. Okay, so easy as that. Use some of the templates again, do the research. But once you create the design really quickly, I can hit share, I can hit download, PNG. You can see 1500 by 2000. We actually want to do it 4500 by 5400, which is around there, right? So I could have created my design with 4500 by 5400, but this will be okay. And then I want to transparent background, which is here, and I don't need to limit my file size. I don't need to compress it. I could save my download settings, that's fine. And I'm gonna hit download, and that's it. Boom, that's how easy it is. So there's other ways to create designs on Canva. I'll have lots of videos. In fact, I have a whole playlist of Canva videos. I'll put that right up here if you want to learn how to create designs. But I went super easy route with the templates and just changing it. And let's get these added to TeePublic so I can show you how easy it is to upload. All right, last step, uploading. We did the sign up, we did create designs. We're gonna drag in here, you notice this, the single file upload. Now you could make multiple designs, but we're going the easy route in this video and just doing one. I'm gonna take that PNG that was made and just drag it right in here. Actually, I'm gonna click on here first, sorry. Click here. Oh, I thought I had a store name. I guess I don't, hold on. I thought I had totally awesome t-shirts. Let's do that. Totally awesome t-shirts. it can be whatever you want. Make sure to get a name on there. I think you can change it, but you might want to take some time and figure out what's the best name that you want to do here. I just picked 2 words in the t-shirt at the end. Take me to the upload. Yes, let's do that. There we go. I'm going to drag in that PNG that I did here. See, it's taking a while. This is real time, by the way. I'm not cutting out anything. And it takes a little while to upload. I have it at a big size, but you can see it should be 5,000 by 5,500 for all the products. I made it slightly smaller, so you're going to see that it's the largest one. I'm not going to do the, I think this is for a large poster. So I think 4,500 by 5,400 is probably the biggest that you can do. And you're not losing out on much. I think it's the giant wall art or something like that, which I rarely sell. So here's how easy it is to upload. So once you got the design on here, I'm gonna put I love bows. Easy. Description, you don't have to have one, but you can put description, put some keywords in here. So I love, oh, I should have said I love pink bows. For those that love pink bows. Something like that. Lots of different pink bows. All right, so this one, there aren't any albums. You can make that later. Basically, there's sections, but because we're just doing our first one, we don't have a section, so we don't have an album right now. Main tag, so let's see, bows. And so you can see in TeePublic, it actually helps you think, like, should this be your main tag? Are you talking about bows or Bowsette or Bowser? No, it is bows. That's going to be it. And then supporting tags. Look at this. You don't even have to think about what tags you want. TeePublic already has it. So yes, bow. What else? No, we're not doing archery bow. Not bow and arrow. Cute, yes. Maybe pink. I had that. Pink ribbon. Oh, we saw that. So pink ribbon. Yes. And maybe love. Let's see. Anything else? No. So if you can't think of anything else and it's not actually telling you different things on here, actually, maybe you want breast cancer because it's pink bows. So I didn't even think of that. So breast cancer awareness, breast cancer awareness. It could. We wear pink. Maybe that we wear pink. Yeah. Huh. This could be we wear pink in October. So you see how that came up in October. Yeah. So that could work too. Coincidence. I wasn't even thinking about pink bows for October and it pulled it up. So does this contain mature nudity? No, I don't have any of those. Let's pick the colors. Right here, this looks great on black, but you can see that it looks great on some of these other colors, and we'll pick all the other colors, but this is just the main color, which I really love on TeePublic, that you can choose the main color of the design. Redbubble doesn't let you do that. Amazon doesn't let you do that. TeePublic does. And then you can see, oh, you want black? It just adds black to all of these other ones. And the baseball tee should be this black one. It really should do that. And then you can have all these colors and look at it. And the nice thing I like about TeePublic is if you know that it's going to be done on black, then you can just hit dark colors and you can see it just chooses all the dark colors. If you know that it's going to be done on a light color t-shirt, you can just choose light and it chooses all the light colors. In this case, it's going to be black or dark because I have white text, and white text on light colors don't really work. So you can scroll over here. You can scroll over here and see what the colors look like for your design on here and how it would look like on a light design. And if you actually like a light color like this one right here, it's part of the light colors, but it matches because it's pink, you can click on it and add it to it again here. So that's too light. Of course, white is too white. And this, you can't even see it, and so on. So test out these colors, go on here and see, like, does this actually match? And most of the time the dark will work, and you may want to add some things later. And these are all the products. It automatically adds your designs to all these products, and you can come in here and fix them if you want, but for the most part, it does it pretty accurate. And if you want to come in here and say, wait, maybe I want it a little bit smaller, you can. But for ease of use and doing this really quickly, I would just leave it. I would just leave it on here and see what it's like. And then click on here. I've read and agreed the terms and conditions. Don't save for later unless you're not done. If you're done, then hit publish. Save for later is like, I want to think about this. Maybe I got to change the tags or design titles or not really sure. Then that's save for later. But in this case, we've done it all. Design title, main tag, tags and everything. And hit publish. And let's see what happens. There you go, your design is on sale on TeePublic for $17. They always start with a sale. It's normally $23 for your $4 royalty. On the sale at $17, you'll get a $2 royalty. If you're in the apprentice, that's if you're in the artisan like me. If you're in the apprentice, I think you get 3 and 1 to start. Now there's lots of ways to get out of the apprentice category and get into the artisan. I have that video right here on how to do that. But basically, like I said, you want to do the research, go to TeePublic on here and go scroll down and take a look at these. And these are the kinds of designs that sell. Don't copy these, but you want to, this is kind of the quality standard that you're looking for. And if you're looking for, see a lot of cool art on here, because it's for artists. But I would go to this tag directory and then look at what some of the main topics are. Now, I wouldn't do all of these. I would do the ones that you know about and aren't copyrighted, not trademarked. So don't do Washington Commanders, but Skull, for example, is pretty safe. Valentine is pretty safe, and so on. So come in here, and then you can come in here and let's like, Valentine's is coming up, right? So click on Valentine's and kind of get an idea of what things are selling. You can go to popular right here and look, like get some ideas. Breaking hearts and blasting farts with a unicorn. Maybe unicorn things sell really well on TeePublic. Try out some unicorn stuff. Cats hugging a heart, right? So maybe cats do really well, and so on. So some really cool stuff on here, but you can see really easy. I didn't make any money since we did this, but I'm going to show you my store. View TeePublic store, and there's 2 things that you need to put in here, and you can do this later, but it's already set up. It's your design is already here. I'll show you how to edit this cover and put a new design here in a different video, but you don't need that to start. It's already here. This is for sale. You can come in here and share this with the world, and copy this link and just share it and say, hey, I got a design already up, and make your social media. So easiest way, in my opinion, to start a print-on-demand site. Uploading was super easy. You can see I designed this within the time of this video, and signing up was a breeze. Just one more thing before I finish here is getting paid. So if you come to your account and you go to order history, actually my earnings, and you see it here at the bottom, you can choose your PayPal or Payoneer. So if you're with PayPal, just put in your PayPal address, email address. If you're Payoneer, you have your email address there. I like using PayPal. It works great and it's really easy. So there you go. That was signing up for TeePublic, the easiest way to start print on demand in 2025, in my opinion. You can see signing up, creating designs, and actually uploading the designs to lots of the different products. Took only the time in this video, about 10 to 20 minutes. So you can do it, you can start it, you can start getting sales right away. Make sure to do the research on what kinds of things are on there. I would suggest uploading up to about 100 designs, not all at once, but that's gonna help you get some traction and help you learn what kinds of designs sell and what don't. Just adding 10 designs and waiting for it to sell is not a great strategy. And with TeePublic, you can actually upload lots of designs to your store. You don't have a limit like Amazon where you can only do 10. You can do 100. I think you can upload about 30 a day, so you can do 100 in a week pretty easily. Again, I would do well-researched designs and figure out what the TeePublic audience wants. And you can see some of those in this video right here where I go over my Design with Detour results. I'll show you everything that sold for me, at least with Design with Detour, that I made with AI. But you can kind of see kind of the topics that sold well for me and use some of those topics as well. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you if you want to start print on demand in 2025. Keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you in the next one.